Hello friends, welcome back to Webronaq. Today I'm going to explain a simple C program that uses something called a do-while loop to create a small menu. Don't worry if you're new to programming. I'll break down every single line in plain English, so by the end of this video you'll understand exactly how this code works. Let's jump right in. Alright, take a look at the code on your screen. At the very top you see hashtag include stdio.h. Think of this line as telling the computer, hey, I'm going to use some ready-made tools for printing messages and reading input from the user. That's what stdio.h gives us. It's the standard input-output library in C. Next, we have int main. This is the main function, and it's basically the starting point of every C program. Whenever you run a C program, the computer looks for main and starts running the code inside. Now look at this line, int choice. Here, we are creating a small storage box called choice that can hold a whole number. This box will later store the option that the user picks from the menu. After that, we see the do keyword. This is where the magic starts. A do-while loop means the code inside will run at least one time, and then it keeps repeating as long as a certain condition is true. Pretty simple, right? Inside the loop, we have a few printf lines. The printf function just prints messages on the screen. So here it prints a menu, say hello as option 1 and exit as option 2. Then it asks the user, enter your choice. Right after that, we have scanf, %d, and choice. The scanf function reads input from the user. The %d means we are expecting a whole number, and that number gets stored inside our choice box. Now comes the decision-making part. The if statement checks. If the choice is equal to 1, then print hello world on the screen. The double equal sign equals equals is used to compare two values in C. Then we have else if choice not equal to 2. The not equal to symbol means not equal to. So this line says if the user entered something other than 2, print invalid choice, try again. This handles the case when someone types a wrong number, like 5 or 9. Now look at the bottom of the loop, while choice not equal to 2. This is the condition that controls our loop. It means keep repeating the menu again and again until the user enters 2. The moment they type 2, the loop stops.
Once the loop ends, the program prints goodbye using another printf, and finally return 0 tells the computer that the program finished successfully without any errors. And that's the whole program. It's a simple menu-driven app that keeps showing options until the user chooses to exit. The do-while loop makes sure the menu appears at least once, and the if-else logic decides what happens based on the user's choice. If this explanation helped you understand do-while loops in C, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Webronaq for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.